In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a video on Discord. We'll walk through getting into Discord, opening your server settings so you know where permissions live, and then uploading a video to a text channel. I'll add a few practical tips along the way so your upload works the first time. First, go to Discord. You can use the desktop app or open discord.com in your browser. Sign in and give the app a moment to load your servers on the left sidebar. Have the video file you want to share saved somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or downloads. Next, click on your server, then open server settings. You can do this by clicking the server name at the top of the channel list to reveal the menu, then choosing server settings. We're not changing anything here. It's simply useful to know this is where message and attachment permissions are managed. To post videos, your role needs permission to send messages and attach files in the channel you plan to use. If uploads don't work later, that's the first place to investigate or a cue to contact a server admin. Now, head to a text channel in that server. In the message box at the bottom, click the plus icon. Choose Upload a File, then browse to your video and select it. Discord supports common formats like MP4 and Movie. After you choose the file, you'll see a preview. Add an optional caption or description to give context, then press Enter to send. You'll see an upload progress bar. Keep the window open until it finishes. A quick note on file size. Standard accounts can upload files up to about 8 megabytes. If your video is larger, consider compressing it, trimming the length, or sharing a link hosted elsewhere. If you have a subscription that increases upload limits, you can post larger files directly. Once the upload completes, your video will appear inline in the channel with playback controls. Click to play it and confirm audio and video look right. If you need to change the caption, use Edit on your message. If you sent the wrong file, you can delete the message and try again. And that's it. You opened Discord, checked where server permissions live, and uploaded your video to a text channel using the plus icon and upload a file. Thanks for watching and happy posting.